How to edit shared Google Docs file. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here I'm on Google Docs. Let me take one file here, blank file, and I just rename it. Okay, so someone share file to you, the file to you, it's depends, if you want to edit it, it's depend on how they share to you, means what kind of role they allocated to you, like viewer, commenter, or editor. If they share this file to you with viewer role, as a viewer only, then you can only view this file. Where you can view, I will show you. First I'm going to just trying to understand you to how the people share the file. Okay, so if this is a file, okay, and someone share to you, it they will be shared by putting your email id here, and they you know uh, select the role. There is a three roles: viewer, commenter, and editor. Viewers mean you can only view this file, you not able to edit. Commenter means you can suggest some changes on that email id, on that file. So this suggestion will show to the owner, and owner can disapprove or approve it. Editor means you can directly edit this file. Okay, but if someone share this file with you with this role, viewer only, and send you, then this file you need to check in your Google Drive. Go to the, just log in with your email id and go to the Google Drive. Okay, and after you come to the Google Drive, whatever whatever you have created in Google, like Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Excel sheet, it will be only save in Google Drive only. Okay, and if someone share a file to you, it is only show in Google Drive and your email id. Okay, so here we need to go and share with me. So here you can see the all your file which is shared to you by others, and this is the file. If I open it, you can see this is only for viewer. You're not able to edit it. Okay, it is only for view, so not able to edit. So you can request edit access to the owner by clicking on it. So maybe the owner will be accept or decline. But still, if you want to edit this, you can just click on this file, go to the three dot option, and you can make the copy. Okay, or you can download it, edit it, and after edit you can upload on Google Drive, or may just make the copy will be create on your home page, my drive. Just go to the my drive or go to the home, come to the file, and this copy has been created. Now just open it. Now you can edit it, but it is your own file, it is not shared file. They create the another file to your own drive. Okay, but if you want to edit your shared file only, then you can request to edit access. And if they already share with you with editor, then you can simply edit here by opening this file, and you can edit directly from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.